Hi guys, this is Chrissy at Aiming for Adventure. As you see, I'm standing in front of my car back there, hanging out in the sky. I'm about to bring it down in a second. Well, Justin's about to bring it down in a second. And I will show you what we've been working on. Hang on one second. Okay, over here you can see is the manifold. I took this out 2 days ago. And a bunch of other parts that belong under there. Here's my car, guys. It is in pieces. Look at this poor thing. Look at all of it. Oh, wait, here's some more. Yep. Alright, so I'll rotate this. Okay, so we're gonna bring it down, and what I'm working on is rebuilding the top of the engine. I'm going to start recording now the actual work that I'm doing. I forgot to record. I'm sorry, guys. So I'm gonna record now and show you guys what we're working on moving forward. I got 3 bolts done. I'm on the last bolt. And then these 2 brackets are just going to dangle because we left the, they got the little pins that go wrapping around the wires and all that. They're still in the brackets. So we're going to leave those so that they dangle. We got to get these bolts out so we can take the head off. I'm under my car. Why do I have a hat on, you're wondering? Oh, bugs. That's why. Bugs. Can you see where I'm at? Let's see. The bracket there. Top of the bracket? Oh, there you can see it. That's where I'm at. Getting that bracket down. Oh, I think we're free. Hold on. Are we free? To be continued. Hold on.